Jibiya border town in Jibiya local government area of Katsina state is known for its hustle and bustle as it shares a land border with Niger Republic. This is our second visit to the border after the July 26 Niger Republic coup and Nigeria's decision to close its border with its neighbor on August 4. In our first visit, a few days after the closure, hundreds of stranded trucks were stuck at the border points, most of them filled with cargo including perishable food items. Many, including these truck drivers and truck boys we spoke to, were desperate, pleading for a quick resolution of the standoff to enable them continue with their businesses.
Behind me, you can see before now that there were hundreds of trucks parked and stuck at this border here in Jibiya local government area of Katsina state. But as it stands, only few of them are remaining. Precisely, only 4 trucks are here. The question now is, where are the hundreds of trucks that were trapped at this particular location? Where have they gone to? This is what this story will seek to unravel.
But the situation is different in our second visit late September. Only a few broken down trucks can be seen at the entry point close to the officially closed land border. So, where are the other trucks? Our inquiry indicates that there are illegal routes available to make crossing. These trucks making a U-turn here are said to be heading to the illegal routes. We saw trucks carrying non-perishable goods like potash, matchboxes and building materials, and the ones with perishable goods all making their way either into Nigeria or Niger Republic despite the border closure. Some who pleaded anonymity told us there are 2 alternative routes for that purpose. One of them, who did not want to be named or appear on camera, told us there are officials of customs and immigration services along the routes, and the highest bidder gets his goods in or out of the border. He said it is a matter of survival for the businessmen, and that closing the border was like closing their means of livelihoods, since trading between the 2 countries is their only means of survival. Another said, we cannot go to farms anymore due to the activities of terrorists, but we will not join bad people to perpetrate evils. A meat seller at the border area, 40-year-old Abdulaziz Mohammed, said there is a great hunger in Jibia as a result of the border closure.
Before now, I sell more than 20,000 naira worth of my meat, but now it is difficult because no influx of people anymore. This border closure is telling negatively on us here, as we see that both the federal and state government have abandoned us. We only feel their presence during electioneering. I suggest Jibia be merged with Niger Republic so that our lives can be better.
This tricycle rider, Ibrahim Idris, who commutes between Niger Republic and Nigeria, said his business has crumbled.
Before now, we got passengers to Maradi in quick succession, but as it stands now, to even get a single ton is difficult.
At 45-year-old driver Abdul Hadi Saliu said there is no tension in the border area over fears of possible ECOWAS intervention, saying that Jibia communities and Niger are hardly demarcated as they share the same language and culture.
We are not afraid of any trouble that may arise because of the situation there. We are families here. Hardly you can differentiate between Niger Republic people and that of Jibia, as we speak some tribe and have similar culture. We are at peace here.
The chairman of the Coalition of Civil Society Organizations, Abdurrahman Abdullahi, who is quite familiar with the situation in Niger Republic since the coup, explains the impact it has had on citizens there.
In fact, there are some places in Katsina State that they prepare to go to Niger Republic to access healthcare. Why? Because they are so better there, and especially in the cases of delivery. I know of so many communities that share border with the Niger Republic that prepare going to Niger health facilities to deliver there, because when they go there, they will be taken care of, and at the same time, they will provide a vehicle to transport the mother and the baby back to their home. So this is to tell you how close and how related we are. And in terms of the security itself, We know how the Nigerian, military people are guarding Nigerian border, and through that they have been able to tame the level of insecurity that is facing Nigeria, especially in this part of the country.
For now, Jibia border town awaits when normality will return. ZAKARI OMALE.